And welcome to Airplane 3. Jeremiah, where are you? There you are. Alright, this way.
So, Jeremiah, what do you want to talk about?
I want to talk about your depression. Seriously?
Why are you ugly?
What do you mean why I'm ugly? Why your face look like a chicken nugget?
I like, this is my favorite one. This one is my favorite one. I get to sit right here. I get to sit right here. Now, Jeremiah, you sit down there. You sit
Fine.
down there.
That's a very pointless.
Look at it face to face.
Welcome everybody. You know, I'm gonna do a voice for him. You're probably wondering, why I gather you guys here. Yeah, why? Yeah, why you gather us here? Put that airplane down. Put airplane 3 down. Let it crash and let it burn, okay? But why are we here? I don't care about that. I don't care about your thing. You can call me Jero. Actually, no, I'm not even going to call you that. From this point on, everything I say should be taken as an order, or else you will be expelled from the team. Well, screw you. We saved a plane. Well, actually, I did, so screw you. Now, please take a seat. Well, how about you take a seat? Huh, Chief? How about you take a seat?
Chief, yeah.
Yeah, how about you take a seat?
Chief, how can you take a seat? Chief.
Let's get to the point. Yeah. Come on. Who is that now? This is our target. Are you sure about that? His name is Ronald. So what about the guy that looked like Donald Trump? We have investigate, and all we know is that he is dangerous hero. That is where we are heading. Ronald has kidnapped the captain of an airplane. Why am I saying, oh no, everybody on that plane must be in danger? Why don't we have parachutes at all anymore? That is right, luckily the plane is still flying in autopilot mode, which everybody is safe. Is that you? Our mission is to stop Ronald. Could we just throw him out the plane instead? We need to find the plane and get everyone out safely. Can we just let them crash again? No, actually, wait, no, that's bad thing. Yeah, we need to do this. We will find Ronald and... Jesus Christ! How... Jesus Christ, I can't even read. This is terrible. I don't want to be in military after this. You heard me? You hear me? I don't want to be inside military after this. Everyone ready? No, I'm not ready. I mean, our ending, I will use this again and slice you. Going down. Yeah, let's see who's going down. Let's see who's going down. Yeah, let's see who's going down. Let's see who's going down. Huh? Oh boy. Oh boy. You think you're the captain? You think you're the captain? You don't know who you just... You don't know the mistake you did. You don't know the big mistake you did. Just because I am tiny does not mean nothing. Okay? Welcome to the military cave. How about you shut up? What? What? That is how we are going to save the airplane from Ronald. But first, let's get everyone set up. We're going to use the plane to save without a plane? That is dumb. No one is leaving this place without a military outfit. Well, too bad, I already put one on. Please take one behind you. Oh yeah, I assume we were just standing right here. If we turn around behind us, I see nothing. You know, whatever. Come on. Come on. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Looking good. Yeah, I would just say the same to you. Now let's check the system. Okay, fine. Check the system. Check the system. Checking the plane. Yeah, the plane is good. Not enough fuel. You didn't even got prepared. A plane about to crash and you didn't even got prepared. Oh no, it looks like we don't have enough fuel. Well, you don't say. We will need to fill the plane tank completely before we take off. That is a fuel dose. Whatever, I don't know. There are 4 of them, so yeah, I need your help to connect them. Well, you're not even going to help us, are you? Connect those to the plane, yeah, at the right color. What do you mean how you die? What do you mean how you die?
Tell me how I die.
What do you mean how you die? How you die? At the time we were actually going to do a flipping mission, you died at the last moment. Explain how you die. Explain how you die.
I don't know. Now get off and get back.
Screw you. You know, just screw you. Screw you. You maybe came to different airplanes and you died in a flipping cutscene. In a cutscene.
Get off and get back on.
Whatever.
Get off and get back on.
I hate you so much.